This topic is about securing data medical records sharing process through blockchain as well as cloud computing environment. So in this, what they have been mentioned is that they have been mentioning both the cloud computing as well as the blockchain. One is process is that how you are going to perform security through cloud, as in the process of encrypting or else key generation, and how the authentication you are going to be performing, and final process is that how where you are going to be implementing the blockchain process, and with this way how the information can be more secure than the cryptography process. In this, the interaction between the doctor, patient, and admin. In this, how the information there is the information which has given as in the problem format from the patient that can be viewed by the doctor, and for that particular information to be accessed by the doctor means what are all the authentication he needs to follow to access the data, and how the authentication will be processed by the admin for the particular doctor as well as the patient. If the doctor has been given any prescription means the patient also needs to go through this process with this form of two-step authentication verification. That is a two-way authentication process where admin needs to verify both the doctor as well as the patient, and finally at the time of acceptance how the blockchain process will be integrated so that the information can be more secure, and also the initial stage itself the information has been secured through the cryptography algorithm process as well as the key generation for that particular data which you have been uploading. So in this way we are going to make the privacy of the data and the sharing of information can be secured.